If your water suddenly turns hot whenever you use more than one thing at a time, like the sink and shower, it's probably a plumbing issue that's messing with your water pressure or temperature balance. So, first off, check if you have a mixing valve installed on your water heater or near your plumbing fixtures. These valves help keep the water temperature steady by mixing hot and cold water before it comes out of your taps. If it's faulty or missing, that could cause your water to get hotter when multiple outlets are running. Also, look for clogged or partially closed valves in your plumbing lines because those can restrict water flow and mess with the temperature. Another thing is, your water heater might be set too high or it could be starting to fail, especially if it's over 5 years old. It might not regulate temperature properly anymore. Make sure your water heater's thermostat is set between 120 and 130 degrees Fahrenheit for safety and comfort. Flushing the water heater can also help clear out sediment buildup that can affect performance. Lastly, if you notice the issue gets worse when using appliances like dishwashers or washing machines, those could be drawing too much hot water at once, so staggering their use might help. One of the biggest mistakes people make with plumbing problems like this is ignoring the mixing valve or not having one installed at all, which causes uneven water temperatures. Fix that by installing or replacing a thermostatic mixing valve to keep things steady. Another common issue is not checking or flushing the water heater regularly, leading to sediment buildup that reduces efficiency. Flushing it out every year can prevent this. Lastly, a lot of folks set their water heater too hot or too low, which either wastes energy or causes temperature swings. Keeping it at 120 to 130 degrees is the sweet spot. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners dealing with issues like this because it connects you with trusted local contractors who know their stuff. Plus, if you're a contractor, it helps you find new customers looking for reliable help with their home projects.